Alright, weirdos, welcome back to the Evil Lair. I'm Pocan Joe, the villain of the Evil Lair, where we can make just about anything. And in this episode, we're going to go back to the basics. We're going to blacksmith us a knife, more importantly this one. I designed this knife back in February on a live comic book show called Between the Lines. Affectionately call it the Viper Bite. We're going to put a false edge on the top of it. We're going to put a nice white belly on it. And I'm going to forge the majority of this out on the forge. It's a good warm day for that. And then we're going to give it to somebody. But to find out who we're going to give it to, you're going to have to wait to the end of the video. So there's that. So that's enough talking. Let's jump into this. Let's go.
Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, this my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, and this my prime. Yeah, sorry for the wait, didn't think I'd come up, y'all just need a little faith. I've been patient, just waiting on the river with an ace. Gotta move real careful, we coming surveying the place. I touch down in your city, that's a rival. Y'all got one thing on your mind, it's survival. But if you wanna take a shot at the title, call the medic, we checking your vitals. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, this my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, and this my prime. Let me tell them one time. Said I'm all in my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, feeling real good, yeah, all in my prime. It's about that time, say your goodbyes, cause ain't no match for the way that I grind, yeah, I'm all in my prime. Prime time, we mile high, the gate closed. Same city as Royce and I mean Rose. It's flatbeds for the checks, that's a bank rolls. I've been killing it, I'm guilty, case closed. Yeah, y'all are too basic, my reputation, borderline amazing. Good things coming, they just need a little patience. Ready for whatever, all you gotta do is say when. In my eyes, when I rise, I visualize. I ain't ever taking a break, you taking five. Even if I ain't got it, know that I make the time. On my next move, by the time that the ink will dry. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, this my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, and this my prime. Let me tell them one time. Said I'm all in my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, feeling real good, yeah, all in my prime. It's about that time, say your goodbyes, cause ain't no match for the way that I grind, yeah, I'm all in my prime.
Alright folks, so here we go. Got our knife done, we cut our angles into it. I hope you saw that in last night. Don't worry, I'll show it on the big reveal if you didn't. But I went ahead and cut these kind of lines and grooves into it because we're going to attach a handle. What I'm having a problem with is I don't know if I want to go with a dark wood or a light wood. I'm not sure which shows up better. I'm thinking because it's going to be a shiny piece of metal, go with the dark so you got some contrast. I don't know. I'm going to go with the dark. Let me know down below what you thought. You know, did I just mess this all up? So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this piece of wood into some slabs. It's really dense wood. You're going to see a lot of smoking and burning. I'll tell you that much right now. The grain structure on this is just tight. I want a good solid, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to truss it out, make some measurements, do some rough cuts, and then slice it in half, measure everything out, and then sand it down to shape. And then we'll just go ahead and go right into sharpening, edging and sharpening. Save you some time. Alright, let's play some music. Yeah, I like this one. Let's go.
Whoever got next is fine with us. Line up. I said whoever got next is fine with us. I ain't gonna let that slide. Think you fly, huh? Me and stay wheels up, it's a ride off. Ain't no shortcut, heading to the top, bros. Me, I'm too smart to drop costs, and I got two fists, I'm a problem, nuisance. Who's with anybody not me? They losing, I'm proof that even when you down, keep it moving. The movement is never gonna stop, man. I do this. Go and line them up. That's fine with us. Come and line them up. 4, 5, fine with us. Go and line them up. Yeah, that's fine with us. Go and line them up. 4, 5, that's fine with us. Go and line up. I said go and line up. Yeah, it's fine with us. I said go and line up. Whoever got next is fine with us. Line up. I said whoever got next is fine with us. Let the blood run cold and the guests know they in my world. The best of both, seen a little more. That mean the less I know. Only thing I gotta do, collect the dough. fire for the matches. Do the math, kid, put me in, I raise the average. Savage, 0 to 100, that's the bandwidth. Standard, my end zone dance on your casket. Can't win. Two fists, I'm a problem. Nuisance, who's with anybody not me? They losing, I'm proof that. Even when you down, keep it moving. The movement is never gonna stop, man. I do this. Go and line them up. Two, that's fine with us. Three, come and line them up. Four, five, fine with us. One, go and line them up. Two, yeah, that's fine with us. Three, go and line them up. Four, five, that's fine with us. Go and line up. I said go and line up. Yeah, it's fine with us. I said go and line up. Whoever got next is fine with us. Line up. I said whoever got next is fine with us.
Alright, I think that's it. Just put the last little bit of polish on it. Got it nice and clean. We put a little linseed oil into the handle, and I'll be honest with you, that's a pretty cool looking knife. As you can see, we put our false edge into it to give it a savage look, right? I like the way the handle came out. The fact that it's slightly darker, and Bubba, this thing just melts into your hand. It's a nice little fighter knife. This is really cool, and I really hope Gary B, the casual comic guy,
Good afternoon, Keepers of the Cash. Gary B, the casual comic guy here.
enjoys this. I know he's had some requests. I think Conan Sword was one of them. I was like, no, I'm not. Not in the summertime. I'm not trying to make that. Along with a couple other things that were just too big and wouldn't fit in the forge. But I hope he takes this to unbox things with, or I don't know, go camping with, whatever it is that you do, man. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's savage enough for you. We'll be sure to get that into the mail to you right away, along with the coin that I promised you as well. So there we go, all done. Hey, if you like what we did here, think about giving us a little follow here. That would be great. Or if you like coffee, I have my own brand of coffee down in the comments down below. Coffee brand coffee. It's delicious coffee delivered to you fresh. Definitely consider checking that out. It really does help the channel. And now we're going to move into the bloopers, because I had a hard time starting and stopping these intros. So enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in the next Evil Lair. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all that other great stuff. I'm swinging this thing around. I know you're waiting for me to cut myself. This is a horrible take. I don't like this take either. I just can't end this video today. So basically what we got here is we just got a savage type dagger with but the savage knife here for a guy that loves savage. Blah, blah, blah.